This nail art is hot! My nails are burning! Nails for blowing soap bubbles, silverware for your legs, and braces for your hands? Check out the most useless life hacks we could find in our new video! Soap bubbles are everywhere! This has been going on for too long! I don't want to have a foam party right now! They're in the kitchen too? This is so childish! There are even bubbles everywhere when we're on a date! Enough is enough! I'm tired of this soap opera! No more bubbles! I'll break your wand! But Cindy doesn't give up. She has some special nails ready to go. Make a few holes in press-on nails using a drill. Make holes of different shapes: a circle, a triangle, a square, an oval, and a heart. Dip a nail into soap and water and blow new soap bubbles. This is amazing! Let's fill the whole world with bubbles! And Ben won't stop me! Yay! I'm the queen of soap bubbles! She's beyond help! Time for a tea party! Exquisite desserts, an aristocratic lady, high society! We need to amaze our guest with something! For example, my unusual silverware. Today, I'm eating with my feet. Cut the top part off a plastic knife and a fork. Make a hole in a press-on nail. Apply hot glue to it and stick in the knife. Attach the fork to the back of another press-on nail. Coat all the nails with polish to match the color of the silverware. That's quite a surprise! The etiquette in this house turned upside down. Noble ladies won't put up with this. Wow, Madame, you're a real snob. Just look, it's easy and practical, and your hands are free. You were so hardcore when you were at the office. Brutal and punk. Competitors, you better stay away from me. But no one knows that you like being cozy with a fuzzy robe, soft slippers, and lovely rubber duckies at home. The more the better. Attach small rubber ducks to a headband. I'm the queen of the ducks. Come to mama, my little babies. Achoo! I need to wipe my nose right now, but I don't have any tissues. There must be some in my friend's bag. Bingo! These are more than just earmuffs. These are earmuffs with tissues. Take the fur off old earmuffs. Cut the lining and take out the stuffing. Make a cross cut in the lining. Repeat the cut in the top fur layer. Fold tissues in half. Put them into a stack by folding the edges into each other, just like this. That way you can easily take them out one after another. Put the stack of tissues into the lining of the earmuff. Pull the edge of the top one through the hole. Put on the fur layer. Repeat for the other earmuff. This is so neat! It's the perfect device for a runny nose, and these earmuffs with tissues will come in handy more often than you think. Even when you eat, and when your friend is watching a soap opera, and even in the restroom. I keep my tissues very close. My boss gave me a lot of extra work to do again. Reports, charts, and oh gosh, these are the nails of my dreams. A portable stress reliever! Take reverse sequined fabric. Attach a press-on nail to the back side of the fabric. Cut the fabric to fit the nail. Carefully burn the edges of the fabric to get rid of the extra threads. Just look at them! These nails with double-sided sequins are so calming! I forgot about how much work I have right away. Too bad my boss leaves so fast. And she took her calming nails with her, but I managed to distract myself a little. And now, back to work. Ben got invited to an unusual party. The theme is braces. We promise it's very trendy, but what do you do if you don't have braces? Ben will definitely come up with something. Mix black and white polymer clay. Half as much white as black. Knead it and roll it out until it's about this thick. Cut out cubes. Press in hollows with a toothpick. Shape braces. Bake the clay following the package instructions. Coat with silver spray paint. Attach a wire to the first piece. Decorate it with a rhinestone. Coat the wire with oil so the remaining 3 braces can slide. And secure it with hot glue and a rhinestone. Attach the last piece so it doesn't move. Make 2 pieces like this. Everyone is shining with their smiles and braces at the party. And Ben found a way out. You can wear braces on your teeth or on your hands. He is the king of this party. Let's see what's new on social media. Oh no! Haters are attacking me again! My perfect photo got so many bad comments. But I'll fight the haters however I can. Spoon glasses will save me from hate. What an excellent invention! I'm blocking out the haters. My eyes are way too good to read all of this offensive stuff. Checkmate! Haters, didn't see you there. My eyebrows need some styling. Whoops! My spoolie ran away. Where did it go? Oh, I totally forgot. I attached the spoolie to my new nails, so it's always right here. Now my eyebrows will be perfect all the time. Are you going to a party? Make sure your outfit is perfect. These tights are way too boring. But you can create a design on them. Put a jar into some tights to make the job easier. Sketch out a butterfly. Color the wings with neon nail polish. Trace the outline with glittery polish. Add an antenna. We proudly present tights with butterflies. Perfect for a neon party. Now let's fly to the event. My tights are the brightest on the dance floor. And when they turn on the UV light, everyone will see that my butterflies can fly and dance. Did you like our unusual life hacks? Then comment below which one you think is the most useless. Nails for soap bubbles? Anti-stress nails? Or anti-hater shades? And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so that you don't miss new unusual life hacks From Troom Troom.